to come and voice some of my concerns, because I feel like as a management consultant working with corporations, it's important for me that the Public Service Commission focus in this hearing, and as you approach this, with a major concern around who the customer is. Because my concern is that the customer has been lost, and that basically your focus has been historically by looking at some of the rulings you've made, not necessarily paying attention to what the future customers for Northwest Energy, and as a monopoly, I don't get a choice of who to get my power from. I have 30 solar panels on my roof, and that's a personal choice that I made. And I'm concerned that basically the attitude of Northwest Energy is that somehow I'm a burden on their system, when in fact I'm putting energy back into their system 11 months out of the year. And with limitations on further hookups and distributed power through solar rooftop, I feel like the approach on the rates that they have and their decision that solar is too expensive is short-sighted, because I think they're externalizing some of the costs in their formula, which don't include the cost of wildfire remediation, the healthcare cost, and the loss of life as a result of shortened lives because of air quality. I think it's an issue that's beyond debate. Montana is going to be in for longer summers, hotter summers, drier summers, and more catastrophic fires. And unless we can turn away from carbon-based fuels, our children and those of us in our senior years are going to have to live with diminished health consequences. So I hope as you enter into this deliberation that you will think about seriously who the customers are, that you, I think, are held legally to be responsible to, and that you will ask very hard questions about, is this the mental model that Northwest Energy has, is it appropriate given the larger reality that we're all living in? So I appreciate this time.
Thank you.